dear students, good morning to all of you. Welcome you to English literature class. Today we will begin new chapter, that is chapter number 3 in the adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Chapter name is Living with Pat. Okay, in the last chapter we have studied Huckleberry's father has come to snatch money from him when he has heard that Huckleberry has become rich. But Huckleberry has used his brain and saved his money from being wasted by his father on drinking. Oh, he had sold all his money which was invested to Judge Thatcher, okay, and his father is also convinced. So his father comes to Judge Thatcher and threatens him so that he can be forced to give him the money. But Judge Thatcher refuses to give any money to Huckleberry's father at all. Okay. So Huckleberry's father leaves the place, saying that he will drag Judge Thatcher to the court. But he doesn't go anywhere. He has always been keeping watch on Huckleberry and was waiting for an opportunity to catch him. Okay. So here now see in this chapter what happens. Of course, in this chapter Huckleberry's father gets an opportunity in spring season and he absconds Huckleberry Finn to another side of river, of course by going 3 miles in the river. Of course he travels in the river in a boat and he reaches the woods, means the area is full of forests, and in that forest there is a wooden hut that is completely hidden from the public view. If someone is new, he will not understand that there is really a house. Okay, see here now what happens. My father kept me with him all the time and I never got a chance to run away. Okay, there is no opportunity for Huckleberry to run away from there because his father is always with him. Okay, he lived in that old cabin and he always locked the door at night. At night, Huckleberry's father locks the door and keeps the key under his head. Okay, he had a gun also which has been stolen by him from somewhere. Okay, and every day he goes for fishing and of course hunting in the forest, and they manage their food. And after every few days, Huckleberry's father goes to market. There he sells fuel. Okay, that is wood. Okay, wood as a fuel. And whatever the money he gets, he buys whiskeys. And before he goes to market, he locks the door from outside. He returns with whiskeys and he sits for drinking. Okay? And when he is fully drunk and under the influence of liquor, he beats Huckleberry Finn severely. Okay? And by it got so bad, I could not stand it any longer. But there was no escape. Huckleberry Finn is suffering a lot. He is tortured by his father. And situation has become so severe that it has become intolerable for Huckleberry Finn. But nothing can be done as there is no way out from there. Okay? Now, his father, Huckleberry's father, Pap, okay, is very clever as well. When he goes away, that time he is very sure of not to leaving anything like knife or any cutting tools in that house. I mean in that cabin. Okay, because he has doubt that Huckleberry Finn will just search, okay, for that cutting tool, and of course he will run away from them. Okay, and Huckleberry Finn, of course, searches for any cutting tools 1,000 times, but he doesn't get any at all. Okay, because his father doesn't leave anything like that. And if there is anything, then he is very careful of keeping that, okay, hidden completely. Now there is an incident of a day. One day, Huckleberry's father locks him and goes away, but doesn't return for 3 days. It has become very difficult for Huckleberry to live there, because he thinks his father must have been drowned, okay, in the river, and if he doesn't come back, then what Huckleberry will do? It will be very difficult for Huckleberry to come out. Now Huckleberry become involved in trying to find some way to get out of that place, because he thinks that his father has died. Of course, he has drowned, maybe in that river. So this time, when he is searching the room, he finds a very old rusted saw. What is rusty? There is rusty, full of rust. Rusty, full of rust. What is rust? You know, an iron object is lying unused for a long time, or water falls on that. What will be? There rust will gather. Okay, so same thing is there here. Saw has been lying there for a long time unused, so it has developed rust. It has become rusty. So this is a cutting tool, okay, with a large blade. Clear? It is used for cutting wood. Saw. Cutting wood cutting tool with a large blade, with a blade. We have written blade. Okay, this is saw. So he applied some grease on that saw, You know, it had been lying unused for a long time. And it starts working. Okay. Suddenly he finds there is an old blanket nailed against the back of the cave. It is there to keep wind stop from entering that house through the gaps in the wall. Okay, so chinks means actually gap. Chinks, gap. Okay. Log means only wood. Okay. Log means wood. Wood. So he, Miss Huckleberry, lifts the blanket and starts cutting a part of that wall. Okay. Well, of course, it was time-taking work to cut that wall, cut that part of the wall, but he was really reaching his target. Then suddenly he hears his father's gun firing in the woods, means forest. He understands that his father is hunting and he will come very soon. Okay, and he quickly drops the blanket and hides the sword. And very soon his father comes. Well, dear students, more will do in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.